Hey everybody, picked up another piece of vintage technology here. This is a Webcor brand reel-to-reel tape player, and I think this is from the 50s. I got a huge stack of these old tapes at a garage sale. This lady had a ton of them, and I said, hey, I'll find a good home for them. So I bought this player. I actually didn't know these existed, honestly, up until about a year ago. I'd never seen one of these when I was a kid. I have a feeling that once the 4-track and 8-track tape came out, um, these must have gotten real unpopular real fast. Anyway, so it's reel to reel, and there's two different sizes you can choose from. There's this button in the middle is kind of corroded or falling apart, but anyway. So it looks like you turn it on and you have a volume. I'm assuming this works with tubes. Oh, that's weird. Boy, that's really strange. Let's see. Let's try fast forwarding. Okay. Alright, that did not go according to plan. Huh. Did it cut the tape? Yeah, the tape broke. Oh, that's a bummer. Huh. Well, anyway, I think that illustrates the concept here. I'll keep messing with this thing, but yeah, I can see where this got unpopular real quick. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.